Hey, 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 it's What's Cooking. Okay, so a little poultry, little chicken, pounded the chicken breast already, so they're nice and flat. And then in this bowl, we've got 2 eggs, some Trader Joe's frozen garlic that has not yet dissolved and melted because it was cold. Here it goes. Some heavy cream from Trader Joe's. I think they have really good heavy cream. Some pepper, strictly pepper, the pepper I always love. And we are going to bathe these little guys in this scenario here. And then once we do, we have here pork panko. It's basically ground up pork rinds. Some grated Parmesan cheese, some parsley, some crushed red pepper. Gonna mix that all together. See how it's kind of like nice little crust is what we're going to try to go for here. And then we're going to take the chicken breast, douse it in here, get a nice coating. All right, got it. And then we're going to give it a nice encrusted Parmesan panko, very, very keto friendly. Little breading, if you will, but keto-friendly breading. And these little guys are going to go in the air fryer for 15 minutes. At 8 minutes, I'm going to flip it to the other side. It's going to keep it crisp and delicious the entire time. And after that, I'm going to put it in. I'm going to have a frying pan with lemon, artichoke hearts, and some white wine and butter, and I'm going to make a caper artichoke white wine butter sauce to go over it. Doesn't that sound good? And the chicken will be nice and crisp from the air fryer. So here we go. Give it a nice little dousing. My fear is that I'm out of pork. I forgot to ask Phil to pick some up at Costco. Oh, you know what? I actually ordered this on Amazon. So I need to order more because this stuff is awesome. I never buy breadcrumbs anymore or use breadcrumbs. I always use the panko pork. I think it gives it a nice crisp scenario as well. So our last guy. And you know what? Maybe this guy's going to get a little less of the pork thing, but he's going to get a lot more of the Parmesan cheese. How's that? Okay. And we're going to put some Parmesan cheese. There we go. And that is a quick little way to do chicken breast a different way. So that's What's Cooking. Have a great day.